Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Terraform modules for reusable VPCs, full guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have Terraform installed on your machine. Open your terminal or command prompt. Create a new directory for your Terraform project. Navigate to the newly created directory. Inside this directory, create a new file named main.tf. Open main.tf in your preferred text editor. Define the required Terraform provider at the top of the file. For AWS, include the block for the AWS provider. Specify the region you want to work in. Next, create a module for the VPC. Add a module block to your main.tf file. Name your module, for example, VPC. Set the source of the module to the path where the VPC module is located. Include any required input variables for the VPC module. You can add parameters like VPC_sitter and VPC_name. If you have a specific number of availability zones, include that as well. Next, create the VPC module within a new directory. Make a directory named Modules. Inside the Modules directory, create another directory called VPC. In the VPC directory, create a file called main.tf. Open main.tf in the VPC directory. Define the VPC resource using the AWS_VPC resource block. Make sure to include the CIDR block for the VPC. Add output variables to the VPC module for reusability. Define outputs like VPC_ID and VPC_sitter. Once the VPC module is set up, return to your main Terraform configuration. Make sure to call the VPC module with the necessary variables. Now, run Terraform init to initialize the working directory. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.